Okay, one of the other places you'll find some really valuable information in sites like FamilySearch that you may not even recognize is looking at the usernames of the people who have been adding information to your ancestors. So the way you'll find this is you come to the main person page here and you'll see one of my ancestors here, and we scroll down the page, and as you come down you'll see latest changes. And over here it will have any events that have been added, and you'll see then the username of the person who added these. And this is actually some that I have added recently, but the thing you'll also want to watch for, if somebody is adding things to the memories, for example, if they're adding photographs or stories, they tend to have a lot more information than what they've just shared here. So anyway, I'll always go in and click in the memories, look for the same thing. You can click on whatever picture or story is there, and it will also show you the username of the person who added that. So in this one, if you just click on the username, then you would see the email address, and it may have even a phone number sometimes, but you can just then send that person a message. You can either send them an email address, or you can send a message right through FamilySearch, and it will come in on your inbox here. So I highly recommend doing that, especially if you've got an ancestor who you're really struggling to find information about. You've exhausted your sources and you see somebody here posting stories or pictures or even other records. Definitely click on the username, send them a message, or contact them and ask them what else they might have. I've found so much information using this avenue. And by the same token, it's not just here on FamilySearch where you can do that. Another good example of that would be over on FindaGrave. So it's another one of my ancestors here, and you can see here he's got 3 photos, no flowers, but sometimes there are flowers as well. And if you click on either of these photos or flowers, you will see the user account name of the person who added those, and you can click on that and contact that person as well. So here you could just click on this username down here and it would pull up that information. You can then send them a message, and I've done the same thing on Ancestry numerous times. So take advantage of this. Use the active users out there for the information they have. Go contact them and they should be able to help you out.